Babe, are you in the bathroom?
Look, I'm sorry.
What's going on?
Alright, you know what? Let's just talk about this thing in the morning.
No, Phil. No, we are going to talk about it now and here.
You know, I'm acting like this now.
What's going on?
Babe.
Kane,
Can you just shut that thing you call a mouth? Shut it!
What? Phil, what the hell is going on here?
Babe, I think Kate, she's trying to pull a prank on us. Yeah, that's what she's doing. She's trying to pull a prank on us.
Me? Trying to pull a prank? Really? Phil, are you going to tell her or you want me to do it?
Tell me what? What's going on here?
Alright, fine. I am pregnant. Yes, I am pregnant for your husband. We had sex while you were away and now I'm pregnant.
Wait, hold on. This is a joke, right? She's joking, right? 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 Why are you stuttering? You heard her. Are you just gonna stand there? Okay, Kane, the shiny star.
You will never stop gassing me up.
I mean, it's true. But come to think of it, why haven't you considered going into the arts and entertainment world?
It's me. Wait, have you seen those people and how much they spend to look good? I've not even been able to take care of my sick dad. Where am I supposed to get that kind of money for showbiz lifestyle?
Oh, about that. Don't worry about it. Everything will be fine. By the way, how is he? How is his health?
It's not.
Listen, I totally get it, okay? And I promise you I'll do something about it.
You will?
I mean, of course, you've been my friend since university days, even though you didn't finish.
You know, life happened. Look at you. You're looking all big and beautiful.
It's fine. Okay? Come on. Let's go. You get there. And I remember you used to be so good at organizing stuff and itineraries.
Yes, I'm still good at it. Just that I've not seen anyone needing my service for now. So
why don't you come work for me?
Are you serious?
Yes, I am. Come work for me.
Thank you.
Come on in. It's you, Kate. Come on, let's go.
Thank you.
It's good.
Let me help you with that.
Oh my God. What are you wearing? Come here. You didn't tuck in the hand of your bra properly. Kane, you need to learn how to tuck these things properly.
Oh, you made it look like what I was wearing was bad.
Oh no, honey, you're dressed just okay for your level, okay?
Thank you.
So,
let me get this.
Yeah, you okay?
Yes, I am.
We need to hurry so we don't get late. Let's go. She's such a sweetheart. Like, she makes my itineraries very, very organized.
Okay, that's nice. I mean, if you say she's good, then I'm sure she's efficient.
She's very good. Very good. So, you said you have something for me?
Yes.
Okay.
I love you, Sharon. You know that, right?
I do, and you know that I love you too.
You mean the entire world to me, you know that.
Yeah.
I want to spend the rest of my life with you. want to show you speech prepared for this moment, but I'm not trying to.
No way!
I want to spend the rest of my life making you the happiest woman in the world. Because you deserve it.
Oh my god.
Child. It'll mean the absolute world to me. If you say yes to be my wife.
Yes.
Yes.
Without a doubt, yes.
Oh my god, thank you so much. Wow.
You.
Extraordinary. Jesus Christ, I'm so happy. I'm coming. Hi.
Ta-da! Hi.
Okay, just saw something. You're engaged.
Yes, I am.
Sit down. But you never told me about him.
I know, right? I am so sorry. It happened so fast. Like, he just swept me off my feet. I wasn't even expecting it.
I'm so happy for you. So can I see?
Here you
Oh my
go.
God, this is beautiful.
Thank you. I know.
Happy for you.
Thank you so much.
Okay, make yourself comfortable while I check what I'm cooking. I'm coming. I'll be right back. Just hold on.
Hey! Coming. Babe, this is the girl I told you about. Kane. And like I said, she's been so useful and helpful.
Wow.
Yeah.
It's nice to meet you. Wow, I must say you're very beautiful.
Thank you. You can say that. But you know, in this part of the world, beauty is really not enough. Kane here is not a graduate. Yeah. Like she always says, life happened and here she is, not a graduate today. Can you imagine that?
Wow.
So sad.
Wow.
Yeah. It's okay. I pray for her every day. Very soon, this ill luck phase would fizzle out.
Ill luck?
No, it's okay. It's okay. You know, 4 solid relationships in the past, and all of them just left her hanging like that. And the sad part is, they are all married today and doing very well for themselves. But I can't really say the same for her. It's so sad. But it's good.
Babe, your mom called earlier. She actually asked me to call when I was with you. Yeah, let's go
Oh,
to
right now?
Yeah, right.
Okay, we'll be right back, guys. I'll be back. We'll be back. Let's go, baby.
What is it you said your name was again?
Oh, okay.
You really didn't have to talk to Ken like that.
I don't understand.
Why are you bringing up a relationship and the fact that she's a dropout in front of Dunbar? It's not nice, no.
Well, did I lie? What I said is the truth. Besides, Kane is not one to get angry at such trivial issues, so relax.
Are
She's
you
good.
sure?
Yeah, I'm sure.
She looked pretty upset to me.
Come on, she's okay. She's a good girl. She doesn't get mad like that. Trust me. Moreover, I was only commiserating with her and sharing in her plight, so she'll be alright.
Okay, if you say so.
I say so. So what are we having?
What are we having?
Yeah.
We're having menu.
I like the sound of
Are you okay?
I like you time. Hi. How are you?
I'm good.
I got this for you. Go ahead. Everything.
Sharon.
Yeah?
Oh my God.
How is your dad?
He's fine. He's fine.
Yeah. Have you seen it?
I've seen what?
Obviously you haven't. Check your phone. Go ahead. Check your phone. Go ahead.
Oh my goodness.
That's right.
1 million naira.
Yeah.
Sharon!
Yeah. That's for your dad.
Sharon, thank you so much. Thank you,
Mm.
Sharon. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah, it's fine.
I don't know how to repay you. Thank you so much.
Talking about repaying, just make sure you continue to be good at your job.
I will. I promise. I will. I promise.
Promise me that you will not just wake up one morning and leave me hanging.
No, I won't. I won't.
Okay.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
It's alright. Check them out.
This is beautiful.
Yeah, they are. And very expensive. I must say.
Oh, Miss Sharon, I am so impressed by your presentation.
I mean, it's what we do.
Yeah, as you go with this and look at it, and I trust that my company will definitely invest.
Thank you. What the hell is this, Ken? What kind of embarrassment is this? Why didn't you tell me you're not comfortable in heels in the first place? Instead of making a drunken show of yourself here. What is this? Huh? Why are you pulling up your pants? Oh my... If I'd get out, go! Go! Don't embarrass me like this.
I'm sorry.
Why are you even dragging up your pants? Can you... Oh my God, I'm so sorry for the embarrassment.
It's okay, it's okay.
I'll see you off.
All right, thank you.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to working with you. We're going to have a good working relationship.
She doesn't mean any of those words. It's a way of showing that she cares. So pretty. I'm cute, don't you? You've got it, okay? Yes.
I feel more comfortable now.
Kane, what is this you're wearing? Oh my God, I can't do this. This is beneath me. I know that it's not your way of life to be classy. I mean, you're used to being poor and lowly. But come on, we are going for an official assignment. What is this?
But you asked me to go change the heels.
No, I said get out of my sight. Not come out looking like this.
I'm sorry, I'll just go back inside and
No,
change.
just hold it right there. So you can come out walking like an 8-year-old with arthritis. Just get me out of here. I'm late already.
The keys.
Bars me all the freaking time. Hey, that's so funny.
So funny.
Yeah, you know, Sharon has been a pillar right from our days in our crashing. She has always been so supportive.
Oh, she's that good.
Sharon, thank you so much for everything. I don't take it for granted. Believe me. And yes, your wedding's around the corner.
Yay!
I wish you nothing but the best.
Amen!
Thank you. Thank you so much, my darling Kane.
Welcome.
You have been an amazing girl too. I mean, you've been very supportive to me. Yes, we all know you don't have money, you don't have anything. But you go out of your way to do the best you can for me. And that means a lot to me, Kane. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And most importantly, we all know you're turning 30.
Yes.
Right? I mean, forget that you look like this. Don't let your looks deceive you. You are almost 30, girl. And you don't have a man.
Child.
So, it is my prayer.
Amen.
Yes, amen. Even if he is half a man.
Man, anything.
I mean, even if he is half as good as my man, just anything, so you can at least have a man at least. What be firewood though? Just anything at all, okay? I'll pray for you.
I'm praying for you.
Yes, there. So let me just go inside and get us something to drink. Okay?
Thank you.
I'll be right back.
Sorry.
Kane, what is it with this face? Are you sulking?
Sean, I don't know, but I feel really uncomfortable. You always make some passive statement about me, about my past and my lack of marriage, and I've been wanting to tell you, to talk to you about it.
Are you talking to me or someone else?
Of course I'm talking to you, Sharon.
This is unbelievable, Kane. You're bringing this up now? Knowing fully well what I'm going through? How insensitive can you be?
Yeah, I'm sorry. Maybe I shouldn't have brought it up. I'm sorry.
No, you should have brought it up. Shouldn't have what? Kane, you have sat down, you have nurtured it in your heart before coming here to spew this nonsense. What the heck is wrong with you? When your father was ill, I took it upon myself to be there and foot his bills. And here you are.
Sharon, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm sorry. I didn't mean it that way. I'm sorry. Can I go in with you?
Just stand here. I have to pick some documents. I'll be out in 20 minutes. Sense. We are working so hard to put everything in place. Thank you, sir. I look forward to working with you too. Yeah. Thank you, sir. Do have yourself a great day. Bye. I kept the time, right?
Really?
What's that supposed to mean? What do you mean by really?
Sharon, this is 2 hours later. I've been waiting for the past 2 hours.
So? So what if you have been waiting for the past 2 hours? People wait for 2, 3, 4, 5 hours and they don't complain. What is this? Oh, I see. I must have offended my Royal Majesty Kane, right? I am so sorry for making you wait for 2 hours.
No, Sharon.
Is that it?
That's not what I meant. Sorry.
Would you get my things and start the car? Her Royal Majesty. Hi, Kane. Hey, baby. I'll meet you upstairs. So what are we looking at? This looks good. Looks so good. Is this the proposal for the girls' venue tomorrow?
Yes, it is.
Okay. Wow. Kane, you are so good at what you do.
Thank you. You know I have always been giving my best.
I see. It's good.
Sharon, I was going to ask.
Okay, are we good?
Yeah, it's about Dombra.
What about Dombra?
You know, the other day he kind of showed interest in me, so I don't know if we can be friends.
Sorry for the laugh. Sorry, you and Dombra, friends.
Is anything wrong with me?
Are you blind, my dear? I mean, isn't it glaring enough? You want to be friends with Dombra. Dombra is not in your class, babe. He's like kind of up there and you're down there. I don't know if you get me. He's in a class of his own. He is a rich guy. I obviously cannot say the same for you. So, no. Dombra.
Sharon is fine. It's
Yeah.
fine.
It has to be.
So, anyways, I want you to introduce me to the guest for tomorrow.
Of course I will. Why not? I mean, everyone needs to know you for exactly who you are. Okay. How is Papa?
He's fine. He's doing well.
Good. Very good. I cannot wait to see that when you are done. I'm sure it will be amazing.
Also saw the strong African women. We are very happy to do this partnership. Do you know the number of women rich in the rural areas?
I can imagine.
Good afternoon, executive. It's my delight to meet you all.
I'm sorry, pardon me. This is Kane.
Oh,
Yeah, she handles all my itineraries and she's very good at that.
wow,
Yeah, she is more or less like my errand girl.
wow.
Yeah, she does a very good job.
Do you know if you keep up the good work, you'll make it big. Eh?
Thank you, ma.
Yeah, so Kane, you would go to my car and get my other bag. I have something to entertain our executives with.
Wow, thank you so much.
Yeah.
So as I was saying, we have to start preparing the
How you doing? It's my pleasure to meet you. Even though that your little birdie of a girl told me you won't like me.
Excuse me, I don't understand.
Yeah, she said you won't like me. And that you won't even want to make friends with me.
Excuse me, what did I say this?
Is it Sharon? Yeah, Sharon. I don't know.
Wow. Anyways, thank you. I need to go now.
Wait. You can't just walk out like that now. You didn't even give me your number.
Oh my god. These guys are literally the best dancers in Nigeria. Like, so cool.
I've been calling Kane for the past 2 days. She's not been taking my calls. I don't know. I'm confused. I don't know what the heck is going on.
That girl again.
At least she should give me an explanation as to why she's not been taking my calls or something. That's so disrespectful.
Like, very disrespectful. Try calling her again, let's see.
Come on, what have I been doing? What the heck?
Who is that?
So you'd rather come here and hide rather than come out into the real world and make some real money, right?
Sharon, enough. I am tired. First you introduced me to those executives as your errand girl. As if that was not enough, you went to tell Dappa that I said I'm not interested in him, knowing fully well that I liked him.
Okay, first of all, Kane, you are my errand girl. That's exactly what you are. Now, secondly, you dare to raise your voice at me? Really?
No, you're so condescending, Sharon. And it makes me wonder why I'm still friends with you. Rather choose to than apologize for your own disrespect.
Shut it right now. You are the one that owes me an apology for being so ungrateful.
Really?
Yes.
You know what? Enough is enough. I can't take this anymore from you. Enough is enough. Because you helped me not to make me your slave. I'm not going to tolerate it from you anymore. Not now, not ever. You know what? Get out.
Say what now?
Sharon, get out! Leave!
Okay. I don't even want to be here, Kane.
Leave.
Babe?
Yeah? What's up?
I'm 2 months gone.
What?
Yeah.
Are you serious?
Yes.
Why are you just telling me? Is the baby kicking, yeah?
Kicking? I just said 2 months. It's too early to kick. It's still literally blood. It's not kicking.
That's nice.
Are you having issues with any of your property?
No. I don't have any issues. Why?
You know, since morning, the long face and all that. I don't know.
Well, babe, it's nothing deep, Jerry. It's just you and your friend.
My friend.
Yeah, you just cut her off. She's been the only one that's been there for you.
Well, we fell apart 2 weeks before our wedding.
Look, honestly, babe, I think you guys should just try and settle things. She's basically been your only friend.
I know, right?
Yeah, and then you don't talk nice to her, and she's still been there for you.
Can I at least think about it?
Okay.
I kind of miss her though.
Well, then call her now.
I'll take my time.
Oh, God. Babe, today was crazy. Traffic was insane. Babe. Why are you crying? What's wrong? What's this? Why are you crying? What is it?
It happened again.
What?
It happened again.
Jesus. It's okay.
This is the third time in 1 year. 1 year. According to the doctor's report, I may not be able to carry a child to full term.
No, that's a lie. Okay, you carry your baby and we'll have our own baby. Alright, forget what the doctor said. Just forget what the doctor said, okay? We'll have our own baby. Is that why you're crying? It's just paper now.
Hold on, I'm coming. Hold on. Oh,
Can I come in?
sure.
Thank you for letting me in, at least.
You can just sit, sir.
Thank you. Okay. I don't even know where to start. Kane, I just want to say I'm sorry. I'm sorry for all the times that I talked down on you, I belittled you. I mean, that's not the way to treat a friend, right? And I was mean, and I'm sorry. I want my friend back. And I promise you that going forward, I will never disrespect you again. I am also sorry for, uninviting you to my wedding. I'm sorry.
Well, that's fine. I wasn't expecting to see you. I mean, considering your last words to me, but it's all good. You're forgiven, yes. And about you not inviting me, that's all in the past now. I mean, I also took up some time to spend with my parents, so.
Oh, that's great. How are they though?
Well, they're fine. I mean, they are doing well. They're okay.
Yeah, that's good. I was thinking, right? Can you come spend some time with us?
Wait,
Yeah.
are you for real?
Yes, I am. I mean, that's the only way to catch up and make up for lost time.
Okay, fine. I'm in. Yeah,
Really?
I'm all in. Yeah.
I'm so happy.
You're welcome. No, you're welcome.
I'm sorry.
Hey, what's up? It's been a minute. Come in.
Yeah.
You're welcome. How have you been?
Good.
Oh, okay, that's fine.
So, I and Sharon made up over the weekend, and she asked I can spend some time here.
Okay.
But I hope that's not going to be an issue at all.
No. Your family now. Why would it be an issue? I mean, it's good that you guys have settled, but she's not around though.
Yeah, I know.
Alright, let me help you with this.
Okay, thank you.
Take you to your room. So let me just take you to your room.
Okay. Thank you. Be careful.
Yeah, I got you.
What is your problem now? You can see I'm trying to sleep.
What is my problem? No, what is your problem? You want to sleep, right? Fine. You can have the room to yourself and make sure you eat it till you're satisfied.
What the bloody hell just happened? Wow, stress. Stressing.
My world is falling apart. 3 miscarriages.
Jesus.
Oh God. And now, according to the doctor, I may not be able to carry a child full term. This is not what I expected. This is not what I expected, Kate.
Shajan, I'm sorry. Hey, look. I'm sorry, okay? I'm sorry about that.
Phil is acting so insensitive to my plight. It's like he doesn't see me. It's like I'm not even there.
Sharon, just let him be for now. Trust me, he will come along. Okay?
Thank you.
So I'm trying to do this online stuff. Yes, organizing and scheduling some celebrities' itineraries. And guess what? I can do that from the comfort of my home.
Wow.
Yes.
King, that's amazing. I'm happy for you.
Thank you.
You have my full support.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Oh my God. Wow.
Hi.
Hello.
So, tell me, how do I look?
You look beautiful.
Thank you. You know, your wife actually gave this dress to me.
She did?
Mm-hmm.
Oh.
And I kept it in my box, not knowing the wonders I could do with it.
What wonders did you do with it?
I would have found my husband if I'd worn this dress from the outset.
Yeah, I'm sure you would have. Are you... Hey.
Babe. Hey.
Hey.
Wow. How's your day?
Good.
That's good.
Whoa. Kane, I have never seen you in such a tight-fitted dress before.
I know, right?
Wow.
I
Jeez.
followed your footsteps.
I know, right? So, what's the occasion?
Don't bother about that. I'm going for a date.
Yeah, you better go, girl. I mean, you cannot waste all this. I mean, I need a spin. Oh my days. I didn't even know you were this curvy.
Thank you.
You need to run. You
Yeah, I
need to
know.
run. Don't keep
I
the young
know.
man waiting.
All right, see you.
Bye, girl. Oh my days. Bye. Babe. Where did he go? Honey. I need to rest.
No, that's what you've been saying every time. I've had something wrong.
Hey, please don't start. Please, I need to
Okay,
rest.
Stop this thing now. Just
I want to rest, please. Oh, stop. I want to rest, please. I'm tired.
Good morning.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning.
Babe.
You just drop this.
Yeah.
Sharon.
Yeah?
What's this now?
What's wrong?
I beg you take this plate out of my face, please.
What's going on? What's
Take it
wrong
back,
with
I'm
the
not
food?
eating.
Why? What's wrong? You don't like it?
There's too much salt in it now. Don't you taste the food?
I didn't even put enough salt in it. I taste too salty. It's not.
Are you being serious right now?
Kane,
I see you're doing this thing deliberately. Look, I'm not even...
What do you mean I'm doing it deliberately?
I'm not actually pissing me off this morning.
What have I done? What's wrong with the food? What?
Sharon, did you not taste the food?
I mean, I did while I was frying it.
This is bad.
Really? Oh my God. Oh my God.
It's really bad.
I don't know what happened. Just...
Sharon, what's been going on with you lately? Crying out loud. Every single thing you snap at it. What's going on?
Really? Can't do this right now.
Sharon, don't walk out on me. Sharon.
Would you do
Sharon.
Phil, look, I'm sorry for whatever is going on. You guys can resolve it.
I just don't understand what her problem is. She's been so sensitive lately. She just snaps at everything.
Okay. It's going to be fine, okay?
Yeah. Thank you. You can go. Thank you. I'll be okay. I just...
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't get it. It feels like there's something missing between us. Our relationship is dwindling. Could it be my inability to give him a child? I mean, could it be that he's tired of me already and doesn't even know how to...
Stop it, Sharon. Look, I think you need some break. Yes, I think you need some time out. You need a break to an apartment, a resort or something. Look, you need some time to think. And you need time to refresh. Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
I mean, it's not like you're married or you have a boyfriend or something. Why should I even be listening to
Shall you need a break? You need a break. Look, once you leave, I leave, okay? And once you're back, I'm back. I know this is a trying time for you, but believe me, I am here to support you, always. Okay? You're welcome.
I'll leave. I'm going to clear my head for a week. I hope you don't mind. And
Let's do you.
let me have the key. I'll drive this time. You haven't really acknowledged my change, or you've not noticed that I've changed?
On what?
Here she goes. Amnesia, right? But if the reverse was the case, you wouldn't hesitate to tell me how much of a bad person I am. But now, you don't know.
But you really changed. Yeah.
Yeah, girl. So we're almost... Okay, is this building?
Yes,
yeah. Right here. That's you. We're here.
Yes. Thank you.
Yeah. You know, we're not done hanging out, right?
Sure. We still have a lot to talk about.
Yes, we do. So, yeah. Bye.
Okay, let me get my tea from the
Oh, yeah, that's true.
boat.
Small thing, you just start getting angry, shouting. Like, what did you tell me, my bro?
So, that one ain't gonna make you the vex.
When you say you're the power on top of the thing, what do you think is stressing me to fuck out, man? They're letting me say we've been married. Why not? I don't expect say 2 or 3 children, just the run around, you know? God, this serious, so you're gonna be laughing at that.
No reason I'm
understand.
I beg no reason I'm minding her. Just give her time. You know a woman something to be now.
On self day, man. I just really hope that she comes around. You know. I don't know, but I have a friend, Kane. I know that girl is nice. She's been really nice to me, you know.
Wait. No tell me say you and that girl won't on the raw
package. There go. Allow me try to get this on. I don't talk to my side.
I see make her ask.
Right, man. I can't do that.
I trust you. Come on.
Yeah.
Hunger do.
If you stop for our restaurants now,
Sure.
I'll be with Larry Charles.
No, move just stop by. We're not taking myself.
Sharon, are you back?
Hi. Hi, Phil.
I thought you followed Sharon earlier. How did you get the key to the house?
Sharon gave me a spare key sometime back and I forgot to give it to her back. But I can leave if you want me to.
No, it's fine. I mean, I could use the company actually. But Sharon didn't make me anything to eat for the week, so I appreciate your help.
You have nothing to worry about. I'm here for you.
Thank you.
Do you care for some? Hey.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
Okay. Here.
That's fine. Thank you.
Hey.
Hello. Let me help you with that.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Tell me when to stop.
That's okay.
You sure?
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So when did you have a time out like this? When last did you have a time out like this?
Honestly, I can't even remember. It's been forever.
Well, you know you should do this often, right?
I should. Honestly, I miss the good old times with Sharon. I wish they'll come back again, you know.
Sure. It would.
You know, I find you very fascinating.
Have I done something wrong?
No, I'm just... It's just something about you. I don't know if it's your face or something different these days.
Is something wrong with my face?
No, your face is fine. It's not just your face. Even the way you dress recently is different.
Really?
You know? Yeah.
You don't like my dress, do you?
I'm not complaining. It's just different. I mean, you used to dress modest, and then these days you just I don't know. It's just different, you know.
Well, I would never have imagined you wouldn't like it.
I mean, it's calm. It's calm.
Or maybe it has a special effect on you.
I need to use the restroom. Give me a minute.
Sure, you can. You're done?
Yeah, just I just needed to just ease myself. Are you watching this show?
Yeah, it's interesting.
It's interesting. You're not even watching it. It's interesting. What's it about? Exactly. You don't know. Because you're not watching it. What wine is this?
Yeah.
This guy's a clown. What sort of hairstyle is that one? Drink taste, God, I feel nauseous.
You sure you're fine?
Yeah, I think that's enough.
Are you sure you're fine?
Yeah, I'm just hot. Yeah, I drank too much. I just need to relax a bit.
Let me just take you inside, okay?
I'm good. I'm good. I just need to slide down a bit. Just give me a minute.
Wait, let me take you inside.
Just give me a minute. Okay.
Let me take you in. Come here.
I think I drank too much.
Sorry.
Let me would you clear the stuff?
Sure.
Yes.
Let's go.
Yes.
Hey, babe.
Okay. Where are my clothes?
Babe, we had the best night last night. I mean, we're incredible.
Wait. What do you mean we had the best night? Is this some sort of prank or something?
Do I look like a joke to you?
Yes? No. No. What do you mean we had the best night? What happened last night? Are you messing with me?
Phil, you even refuse us to use protection.
What the hell are you saying? Shut up! Just shut up! Alright, now listen to me. Hey, look at me! Whatever it is that happened last night, whatever you think. That's my wife. That's my wife. Get up. Get up! That's my wife! Get up! Where did you put my shoes? Where did you put your shoes? Where did you put your shoes? Just go.
Wait, now take it easy.
Take your shoes. Come on.
Babe! I'm home.
Hey!
Hi, babe!
Hi, come here. Wow. You didn't tell me you were coming today. I missed you so much.
You missed me.
Yeah, I missed you plenty.
Okay. Are you good?
Yeah, I'm good. Why would I not be good?
I don't know, it's just something. And you're sweating. What are you doing?
I am. Push-ups.
I
I was doing
see.
push-ups.
Trying to look good for me.
You know, it's trying to look sexy for you.
Yeah, so I had to cut short my trip. You know, I changed my mind of staying there for the weekend. So.
Really? That's perfect. You get to spend more time with me.
I know.
You know what?
What?
I have juice for you. you'll come with me into the toilet while I do number 2.
Ew, gross. I'm not going in there with you.
What's all this, girl?
No, babe, I just go for at least right.
You used to watch me those days.
Ew, babe. Gross. Here.
Thank you, bro.
Something has been bothering me.
Yeah, what's that?
It's Kane. I haven't heard from Kane in 2 weeks. Yeah, I mean, the last time I spoke to her was 2 weeks ago.
Yeah?
Yeah.
And what did she say?
She said she was going to Accra to see her parents, her folks, or something. Yeah.
Okay. Maybe she wants to spend more time with her family. I think we should let her do that.
No, blanking me out like that is just... Let me get it off. Hold on. Wow, babe! Oh my God, Kane! Babe, you will not believe who is here. I was just talking about you right now.
Really?
Babe! What?
So sorry. You know how my mom wants me to the stores anytime I visit?
Yes, but why did you just blank me out like that? I was beginning to get worried.
So sorry.
All right, just stop. Hold on. Let me get my phone. My phone is ringing.
Okay.
I'll be back. I'm so happy to see you.
Hi, Tia.
Hi. How have you been?
So, I got good news.
What news? Really? What is this? You're pregnant?
Yes.
No, that's not possible. This has to be a mistake. That's not possible.
We can't say, so this is the result.
This is impossible.
You can't.
That was it. Client. Oh my God, look at you. Right?
I will scream, Mom. I will scream.
Calm down. What do you want?
Follow me this minute.
Follow you to where? I'm sleeping.
If I come back here and you're still here, I'm going to create a scene. Look, Phil, there is no better time to talk about this other than now.
Why are you acting like this now? My wife is sleeping. She can wake up anytime. What's wrong with you?
Fine. Let her wake up, yes. I want her to wake up so she knows her place in this house.
Are you serious? Come, did you plan this whole thing?
Look, Phil. I am pregnant. Giving you something she hasn't been able to give you. To give you all this years.
What is nonsense talk about? What's wrong with you? I was drunk and you took advantage and you know it.
Really?
Yes.
Say something more believable.
Okay. Look, I'm sorry. Alright, see, honestly,
I am not going to have an abortion. If that's the next thing you want to say, I'm going to move into this house and post as a new wife.
God, you're going to move into my house? As what? Look, you're not moving anywhere, you're joking. You're not moving into my house. So just drop that nonsense talk, do you understand?
So we shall see about that.
What are you doing? Why are you acting like this now?
Babe, are you in the bathroom?
I'm sorry.
What's going on?
Alright, you know what? Let's just talk about this thing in the morning.
No, Phil. No, we are going to talk about it now and here.
You know why you're acting like this now?
What's going on?
Babe.
Kane,
Can you just shut that thing you call a mouth? Shut it!
What? Phil, what the hell is going on here?
Babe, I think Kate, she's trying to pull a prank on us. Yeah, that's what she's doing. She's trying to pull a prank on us.
Me? Trying to pull a prank? Really? Phil, are you going to tell her or you want me to do it?
Tell me what? What's going on here?
Alright, fine. I am pregnant. Yes, I am pregnant for your husband. We had sex while you were away and now I'm pregnant.
Wait, hold on. This is a joke, right? She's joking, right? 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 Why are you stuttering? You heard her. Are you just gonna stand there? What? How could you? Never would I have imagined that you would do this to me. Sleeping with my friend? On a matrimonial bed? Under a matrimonial roof?
You know, I'm sorry.
Sorry.
I'm really sorry.
You were already tired of me. But you were not man enough to issue me divorce papers. And then, what do? You go ahead to disrespect me like this?
I'm sorry.
Sleeping with my
friend. God.
Babe, I'm really sorry. Okay, I swear I was drunk and like, it was a mistake.
A mistake?
I'm sorry.
It was a mistake.
I'm sorry.
Get out of my way!
Yes. Honestly, mommy, I don't even know what to do. I've just messed everything up. Mommy, why are you laughing now? This thing is not funny.
You should be happy that you're finally going to be a dad.
Nah, mommy, why are you talking like that? You know I'm married. And I heard Sharon. You can't talk like this, mommy.
Trust me, she will come along in due time. What you should pay attention to is this new woman who is expecting your child. Guide her with due diligence. Or don't you want someone to take after you? You are not getting any younger, feel my son. So grab this opportunity with your two hands. You better make hay while the sun shines, oh. I've tell you my honor.
Okay. I've heard you. Thank you. Alright, bye-bye.
Phil has offended me. I can't bring myself to forgive him or even look at him the same way.
That girl has no scruples. I mean, I knew she had something up her sleeve from the get-go, but I just couldn't place my hand on it.
Like, my own friend to come into my home to usurp my matrimonial home?
You are still calling that girl your friend? You are still calling her your friend? Sharon, she's no friend of yours. She's not. And it's high time you put her in her place. She's not your friend, please. Look, you're going to go back to the house. Yes, it is your home. That is where you belong. And no friend enemy or friend or whatever you choose to call her is allowed or will ever take it from you. See, if you have to drag her by her wig, yes, drag her, but never you leave your house for that witch. No, don't do that. You're going back to your home, please.
What's going on here?
Baby, didn't tell her already. Look, I don't like being involved in dramas. Just tell her, please.
Tell me what? What is this useless girl doing in our matrimonial home with her luggage?
Sharon, you won't speak to me like that. Else!
Else what? Huh? You know, I never thought you'd be one to settle for being a second fiddle. But come to think of it, you have never had anything meaningful in your life.
Really? Of course. Your husband is one meaningful thing. And we can share him, can't we?
Not in your life. Phil, ask her to take her filthy things and get out of this house before I do something that she would regret.
Really? You would want to hit a pregnant woman? Considering you can't give him a child, right?
Phil, tell her to take her things and get out!
Babe, just calm down. Okay, she's carrying my baby. I can't just send her out like that. Please. I am so sorry. Babe.
Excuse me. Baby. Come on. What's wrong?
Stop. I need to sit down. Still one more, isn't that enough?
Oh, you listen.
Why did you touch my rice?
Babe, Jane was hungry and she couldn't wait for me to make something, so I just took her to...
And then you decided to give her my food, right?
I'm sorry, babe, she was really hungry now.
Babe, why you troubling your pretty hair trying to explain to this thing?
Are you mad?
Don't you dare shout at me, Sharon.
Else what? Huh? What would you do? Now you listen to me, you little thing. If you try this nonsense again, you will see the other side of it. Rubbish.
Ken, are you okay? Sit down, sit down. Sorry.
Send her away.
Take it easy now. Eh?
Send her away.
You just go to the now. Come on.
What?
What did you say?
You just go now. Like, she's in pain. Just go. I'll meet you upstairs.
Are you?
Just go. Just go. Sorry. Draw water. Sorry.
Are you pinning me?
You okay? Sorry. What do I do? Should I rub it up?
Yes, rub it. Everything.
Okay. Sorry. Okay, I'm really sorry. This thing, my hands are tied. There's really nothing I can do at this point. Okay, we just have to accept it the way it is. Babe, please stop crying. Okay, look, I promise you, I'm not getting married to her. Alright? Once she gives birth, she's out. I promise. Please just stop crying. Babe.
Now, do you feel pain? Huh? Do you feel sad, my dear friend?
So, King, this is how you treat a friend that has been there for you through thick and thin? This is it? I took you as a sister. And this is how you pay me back to come into my home to usurp my home? You are the devil's incarnate.
Me? The devil?
Yes. And trust me, I will make sure you regret every bit of it.
Sharon, remember what you told me?
Hey, that's so funny.
funny.
Yeah, you know, Sharon has been a pillar right from our days in our crushy. She has always been so supportive.
Oh, she's that good.
Sharon, thank you so much for everything. I don't take it for granted. Believe me. And yes, your wedding is around the corner.
Yay!
I wish you nothing but the best.
Amen!
Thank you. Thank you so much, my darling King.
Welcome.
You have been an amazing girl too. I mean, you've been very supportive to me. Yes, you know, we all know you don't have money. You don't have anything. But you go out of your way to do the best you can for me. And that means a lot to me, King. I really appreciate you. Thank you so much. And most importantly, we all know you're turning 30.
Yes.
Right? I mean, forget that you look like this. Don't let your looks deceive you. You are almost 30, girl. And you don't have a man.
Child.
So, it is my prayer.
Amen.
Yes, amen. Even if he is half a man.
Man, anything.
I mean, even if he is half as good as my man, you know, just anything, so you can at least have a man at least. What do you know be firewood though? Just anything at all, okay? I'll pray for you.
I'm praying for you.
Yes, there. So let me just go inside and get us something to drink.
Now guess what is your husband? Me. That same husband of yours said he prefers the warmth of my body to your dry, cold self. That same husband screamed with an utmost passion, asking me, where have I been all those years and why would I let him fall into the hands of a scarlet woman?
Oh. So, this is it, huh? This is what you have reduced yourself to. A plaything. A second fiddle. Huh? You should be ashamed of yourself.
Come on, Sharon. Look, you know, your husband feels think that I'm the one he was supposed to meet first because I just came in, boom, I'm pregnant. Something you wear with there. Oh, wait. You want to hit me? Huh? You want to hit me? Sharon, I hope you know what that means. You hit me and the baby in here dies. I don't think Phil will ever forgive you. Go ahead, hit me. No, hit me! And I will sit and watch you leave this house. Nonsense.
Guy. Who's always just be lost like this? I hope you do alright.
No. Yeah, I don't do alright, dude. I don't do alright at all. I swear I messed things up with Sharon. Like, I don't even know what to do. I don't know how to fix it.
You messed things up with Sharon.
I swear, bro, I messed things up.
Oh, come on now. You're not supposed to weigh you down like this. Eh?
Look, I need to fix things, man. I need to make amends. Like, I don't even know if she'll listen to me.
You need to make amends. Like, which amends do you want to make?
No, don't worry. But I know what to do.
Okay. You say so?
I have been defeated and reduced to nothing. I should have known with my character. I reduced Cain. If I could turn back the hands of time to turn a new leaf, I would use my voice for a better cause. Maybe where I ran her down, I would have uplifted. Oh God, please forgive me. For this war is too much for me in my matrimonial home. I have become a stranger in my own home. Forgive me, Lord. I have accepted my defeat. But I do not know how to go back in time and change the course of events. Please forgive me and make this lighter for me.
What have I done? What have I been doing?
Kane? Kane? Are you there? I'm coming in. Kane, are you in here? Can I come in?
I am sorry. I realized that I've been expelling too much emotions for an inglorious war and for a fight that wasn't meant to be in the first place. I lied, Sharon. You may have hurt me in the past, toyed with my self-esteem, but really what I do with it is what matters. So today, I am telling you the truth that all I said was a lie. This is what happened.
That's it.
I wanted you to feel the pain, what it felt like, but this time in my own way. You ruined in my chances with
Dumba.
Called me your errand girl. Even when you knew all I did because I love you. I got scorned and decided to pay you back. But that's not all. There is something you need to see under the pillow. It was a plot. I have never had sex with Phil. I got him inebriated and he didn't recall.
Babe! Babe, I'm staying with you. Okay, I choose you. I don't care what Kane says, she's leaving this house today. I choose you, Sharon. What's wrong? Are you okay? What is this? so sorry. I choose you. I'll always be there for you. Okay?